Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to walk you through exactly how to delete account on Airbnb using your mobile device. This guide will help you navigate the app's privacy settings to ensure your profile and personal data are removed permanently and securely. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open your Airbnb app on your smartphone and ensure you are logged into the specific profile you wish to close. This is the first essential step to access your personal dashboard where all your booking history and private account settings are managed. Step 2 is to go to the profile option at the bottom right corner of your screen to open your main user menu and account dashboard. This section serves as the central hub for your personal information, travel details, and the gateway to your account's configuration tools. Step 3 is to then tap on account settings, then tap on the privacy section to access the tools that control your digital footprint. This area is important because it houses the security and data management options required to handle your profile's life cycle and personal records. Step 4 is to scroll down, then tap on Delete My Account to begin the formal process of removing your profile from the platform. This specific link is located at the bottom of the privacy menu and is used to trigger the permanent deactivation of your hosting and guest services. Step 5 is to select your place of residence from the drop-down menu to comply with local data protection laws and regulations. This step is necessary because the platform must follow specific legal protocols for data deletion based on the country or region where you live. Step 6 is to select the reason why you want to delete your account and click on Delete Account to move forward with the request. Providing this feedback helps the service understand why users leave, but more importantly, it unlocks the final confirmation buttons needed to proceed. Step 7 is to then click on Delete Account again to continue and confirm that you understand this action will permanently erase your profile. This second confirmation is vital to prevent accidental deletions and ensures you are fully aware that your history and active bookings will be lost. Step 8 is to select either text message or phone call to confirm your account through a secure secondary verification method. This security measure is extremely important because it verifies that the actual account owner is the one making the request to close the account. Step 9 is to type in the verification code received and then click on Done to finalize the deletion process on the platform. Once you enter this unique code, your account will be officially scheduled for removal and your personal information will be cleared from the system. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.